When it comes to social media management and analytics software, there are several factors you need to consider before making a purchase. With so many options out there, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But don't worry, I've got you covered with 12 key things you should know before committing to any platform. First, make sure to consider how user-friendly the software is. The best tools should be intuitive and not require hours of training. Some platforms, like Sprout Social or Hootsuite, have steep learning curves that might make onboarding a challenge. But the software we're looking at here focuses on simplicity, so even beginners can get up and running quickly without a hassle. Next thing, check for analytics depth. Analytics is where many tools fall short. You don't just want basic data. You want actionable insights that can drive your social media strategy. Compared to competitors, this software provides more granular insights with reports that are easy to understand and easy to customize based on your needs. The third thing is integration. Many social media management tools integrate with major platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, but what sets this software apart is its ability to connect with other business tools like CRM systems and email marketing platforms. This could save you a lot of time and effort. The fourth thing to consider is automation. Some software provides automation features that save time on tasks like posting and responding to comments. But what makes this solution stand out is the way it automates reports and performance tracking, freeing up your time to focus on strategy instead of just the basics. The fifth thing you should look for is scalability. Whether you're a small business or a larger enterprise, you need a tool that grows with you. Unlike some competitors that can be too rigid, this platform is designed to scale easily, offering flexible pricing and features that suit any business size. Next thing to consider is pricing. Many social media tools have a pay-per-feature pricing model that can quickly become expensive, especially for small businesses. This software provides an all-inclusive pricing structure, which is often more affordable than competitors like Buffer or Zoho. The seventh thing is customer support. Some software leaves you hanging when you run into issues, with long response times or a lack of useful resources. This platform, however, has 24/7 support and an extensive help center, ensuring that you get the assistance you need when you need it. The eighth thing is security. Social media management tools handle a lot of sensitive data, and security is a top priority. This software is well-versed in data protection, adhering to industry standards, and offering features like two-factor authentication to ensure your data is safe. Next, let's talk about content planning. Many tools offer content calendars, but what's unique about this software is its advanced scheduling and collaboration features, which allow multiple users to collaborate on posts seamlessly. The 10th thing is cross-platform compatibility. Whether you're working from a desktop or a mobile device, this software provides an equally smooth experience across all platforms, unlike others that might leave you frustrated when switching between devices. The 11th thing is customization. Not every business has the same needs, and this platform lets you tailor the dashboard, reports, and workflows to match your business's goals, something that's often limited in other software. And finally, ease of reporting. Competitors can sometimes make generating reports more complicated than it needs to be. This software streamlines that process, making it simple to create custom reports with just a few clicks. In conclusion, this software is a solid choice for anyone looking to level up their social media management and analytics. It's packed with features, and its ease of use and affordability make it stand out from competitors. However, if you're looking for something even better, be sure to check out our recommended solution. It's free to try, and it might just be the game changer your business needs.